Hello friends, very warm welcome to all of you in my studies list. So now today we are going to discuss about properties of acid. Earlier we studied about what is acid, what is base, and how we can indicate acid or base through different indicators, natural and synthetic. Now we are discussing about properties of acid. What is how acids are going to react with others. Like the first one is metal react with acids. What happens when a pure metal react with acid? This is like when a metal like say X react with, or we can directly say metal plus acid forms. When a metal combines with acid, it displaces the hydrogen ion to form metal salt or salt plus hydrogen gas. This is the basic formula how the acid react with metal to form salts. Like for example, if we take an acid, anyone which are normally used HCl or H2SO4 with any metals like zinc, which is solid state, with HCl, which is diluted HCl to form ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. To balance this equation, we can calculate and we'll put 2 before HCl. This is the reaction, common reaction used for how the acids react with metal. Here Zn is a metal and HCl is a hydrochloric acid in dilute form. They react to get ZnCl2, which is a salt, and H2, which is a gas, which is evolved in this reaction. So finally we get some other example we can take by metals. Like so many metals we have: magnesium, ferrous, or like in acids also we have Zn plus H2SO4 to form ZnSO4 plus H2. Same with sulfuric acid. Like in the same way, if I add magnesium plus H2SO4, it produce MgSO4 plus H2 gas. When magnesium metal is reacted with sulfuric acid in dilute form, they produce magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas evolved in this reaction. The solutions for the acids are aqueous in nature. Aqueous. What is aqueous? If I ask, the aqueous is the solution of acid in water, or the water soluble acids are already dipped in water, or the water is present in these solutions, so they are called aqueous. As aqua is in general or in dictionary we heard about aqua is for water, stands for water. So this is a water soluble solution of HCl which react with Zn, magnesium, or any of the metal to get salt of that metal with hydrogen gas evolved. This is the first one. Now second, if we are reacting our acid with metal oxide, what happens? When metal oxide is reacted with acid, metal oxide reacts with acid, in that case it forms salt plus water. Here the changes is only in the byproduct with salt. Earlier it is hydrogen gas, now it's water in liquid form. So this is the strategic reaction, or the basic reaction when metal oxide combines with acid in aqueous solution, produces salt with water as a product. If the same thing, I'll take some example like copper oxide react with HCl, then it forms CuCl2 plus H2O. To balance this equation, we have to multiply this with, and that's it. So here CuO is cupric oxide and it is an aqueous. Dilute HCl, hydrochloric acid. They forms copper chloride or dichloride as a salt and water. Here it is an aqueous solution. So this is the basic reaction when occurs when metal oxide combines with acids to form salt and water. ये एक बेसिक रिएक्शन है जिसमें मेटल ऑक्साइड को एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करने पर हमें क्या मिलता है? हमें मिलता है सॉल्ट और उसके साथ बाय प्रोडक्ट में वाटर. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम लेते हैं कॉपर ऑक्साइड को हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के साथ तो ये बनाता है कॉपर डाइक्लोराइड विद वाटर एज अ रेसिड्यू. Again, if we take any of the metals, it is giving the same product. Like the third one is reaction of acid with metal carbonate. Metal carbonate. Metal carbonate when react with acid, what they form? When metal carbonate is react with acid, they form salt plus carbon dioxide plus water as a byproduct. This is the equation. If I take an example of calcium carbonate react with HCl, they form calcium chloride with water and carbon dioxide. This is the final product when we add a metal carbonate in acid in dilute form. Thank you. These are the three properties of acids which shows, if I'll summarize these three, that will be very good. In just a minute हम तीनों एक साथ प्रॉपर्टीज लिखकर समराइज कर रहे हैं जिससे आसानी हो. पहला मेटल विद एसिड, दूसरा मेटल ऑक्साइड विद एसिड एंड तीसरा मेटल कार्बोनेट और मेटल हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. दे आर हैविंग द सेम आउटपुट. With acid, when metal with acid, it produces salt with hydrogen gas. When metal oxide with acid, it produces salt with water. When metal carbonate with acid, it produces salt with carbon dioxide and with water as a byproduct. यहाँ हमने तीनों प्रॉपर्टीज को एक साथ देखा जिससे समझने में आसानी हो कि कैसे और क्या होगा जब मेटल एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा, जब मेटल ऑक्साइड एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा और जब मेटल कार्बोनेट या मेटल हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा. जब मेटल एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा तो वो आउटपुट में क्या देगा? सॉल्ट प्लस हाइड्रोजन गैस. जब मेटल ऑक्साइड एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा तब वो देगा सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर, पानी. सॉल्ट के साथ पानी आएगा. जब मेटल कार्बोनेट या मेटल हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा तो वो बनाएगा सॉल्ट प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस प्लस हाइड्रोजन और वाटर. दिस इज फॉर ऑल इन वन पेज फॉर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.